Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw salad without mayonnaise. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including cabbage, carrots, and a few pantry staples for the dressing. We'll focus on a bright, vinegar-based dressing that offers a crisp, refreshing taste. This method is perfect for those seeking a lighter option or avoiding eggs. You'll find it surprisingly simple and quick to prepare, making it an ideal side for any meal. Let's start with the vegetables. You'll want to finely shred about 1 medium head of green cabbage. A mandoline or food processor can make this quick work. Next, grate 2 large carrots. These add a lovely sweetness and vibrant color. For an extra kick and a bit of crunch, you might also thinly slice about 1/4 cup of red onion. Ensure all your vegetables are uniformly cut for the best texture in your salad. Now for the star of our mayo-free coleslaw, the tangy dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little zest, and then season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Mix until everything is well combined and emulsified. This simple dressing provides a bright, refreshing counterpoint to the vegetables. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Place your shredded cabbage, carrots, and any other vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Pour the tangy dressing evenly over the top. Gently toss everything until all the vegetables are thoroughly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a crisp and refreshing salad ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.